Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Audi Connect for EV energy monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Audi vehicle is compatible with Audi Connect. Download the Audi MMI Connect app from your device's app store. Open the Audi MMI Connect app on your smartphone. Create a new account if you don't have one by selecting Sign Up. Enter your personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into the app using the account credentials you just created. Now, connect your Audi vehicle to the app by confirm that your vehicle's information is correct. Connect your smartphone to your Audi's Wi-Fi network if prompted. Once your vehicle is added, navigate to the Energy Monitor section in the app. Select the option to enable EV energy monitoring. Follow the instructions to link your Audi Connect account with your energy monitoring services. You may need to enter additional information related to your charging preferences and home energy provider. Once set up, review the energy consumption data available in the app. Explore other features available in the Audi Connect app for a comprehensive understanding of your vehicle's performance. Regularly check the app for updates on your EV energy status and usage analytics. Now you are ready to take full advantage of Audi Connect for monitoring your electric vehicle's energy usage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.